I not go to crucify a player for an individual mistake. We lose together, we win together. So the mistake is not from one player, it's from all the team, with me. Selamat malam. First, congratulations to Presscon to win the game, and also for the fantastic environment on the stadium. About the game, we have more possession ball, more goal attempts, but I'm not satisfied because we lose, but also because we early start to play with one more player, but we play not with the head, thinking, good decisions, but we play with the heart. And sometimes we miss many passes, we have many mistakes that losing time, put pressure, also the referee allowed many things. And the control of the match was always stopped, the game was stopped. On the first half, was it give 2 minutes extra time, just waiting for the substitution of the goalkeeper, see how many minutes. Was too much time that, in my opinion, the game was stopped. But okay, this is Indonesia, we must adapt where we are. About the second half, one mistake from our side was the chance that Persisolo have one chance in all the match. Win, deserve. We not deserve to win because we play with the heart and not decision-making, thinking. We need to switch more quickly. We need to cross and anticipate to the defenders, and always bad passes. Continued. On the second half, many mistakes. This big mistake on the first half, as you see, this is penalty on Indonesia, China, Taiwan, wherever. And this can make the difference. This can make the difference. We score a goal, make difference. Okay, no penalty. We lose not just because the referee, we lose because we make many mistakes today. So, as I say, Selamat, congratulations to Persisol. I not go to crucify a player for an individual mistake. We lose together, we win together. So the mistake is not from one player, it's from all the team, with me. We are upset, we are sad, because on this moment we want to collect points from here, we want to win here, but they have one opportunity, they score. This is the truth of the football. On this moment, the race room of PC Makassar on this moment, very sad, very upset, because we want different result. Not just because the result, but also because we want to play, but not allowed to play. It's ridicule, give Lima minutes when just the goalkeeper, more than Lima minutes, stop the game. The two teams make the substitutions on the second half. It's unbelievable, this. It's true that we make many mistakes. The players today want to make good performance here, because it's not just a football match, because these boys, some of them are 3 months, 2-3 months not received. So I cannot say nothing to these guys, just to try to motivate them to training, because if you not collect salary, you don't have focus.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, dan selamat malam teman-teman media. Ya, harus kami akui hasil malam ini sangat mengecewakan buat tim kami. Tetapi di pertandingan kami kalah sama-sama, menang sama-sama. Buat teman-teman juga saya ingatkan bahwa hasil ini bukan akhir dari segala-galanya. Masih ada tersisa beberapa pertandingan. Kami akan terus fokus untuk memberikan yang terbaik. Terima kasih.
Karena sebelum pemain ada manajemen udah kecil dari gabungan sikap pemain dan pemain tengah ini
Seperti dibilang tadi, coach selalu mencoba memberikan motivasi untuk kami latihan.
Unfortunately, it's not just now. If you're gonna check and analyze our games, we are on week 27, and this was supposed to be 20 penalty, not take. 20. Okay?
Ya, oke, saya kira cukup. Terima kasih untuk Makassar. Semoga beruntung di lain waktu bersama.
Oke. Terima kasih.